Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And of course, the performance also will depend on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we are today. Okay, so we will be starting with gain next 1200, and I will be doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame using the 3 trend Milka trading indicator. This has been on downtrend right from here, and it sold till it got to this support zone. Right from there, it switched back into an uptrend and bought till it got to this region. Switched back again into a downtrend, and this time around broke out from the support zone to sell more. And of course, this morning I gave us the hint that if it breaks out below here, then it's going to sell more. And as you can see, it is still selling. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999, and of course, this had been on uptrend, got to this region and sold for a while. Right from there, switched from a downtrend into an uptrend again to buy. And of course, it has got into the same resistance zone again. It has not been able to break out from there, so it is pulling back right now. Okay, so if it is done with a pullback, it's most likely for you to try it out again to see if it will break out above it. If it breaks out above it, then it will buy more. But if it does not, it will go back fully on downtrend. So this is more of a it should give us more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, it should give us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone. That is when it will sell. Okay, now let's move on with Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 started the uptrend from here, got to this resistance zone, had a major pullback, and right now it will be going back there to try it out again. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is also going to be more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, guys, this is Paynex 999. This had been on uptrend right from here. Got to this resistance zone, tried to change the direction of the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend, but was unable to break out from the support region, and it switched back into an uptrend to break out to buy more. In order, right from here, it broke out above this last resistance zone, so it is still very much on uptrend. So this is still buying more. Okay. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This actually started an uptrend right from this support region when it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. Got to this region, this resistance zone, had a pullback, and it's got there again, still had another pullback, and it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this particular resistance zone. So this is also buying for now. Okay, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.